Umentri Badikmi Yaknat Urban Affair Kasorkar Jala Bah Sniawbhalang Dhar kular biang haka yeng dar bartawan ka jala ban lumlut yakanyut Jowai yakaniu la jubab hakanta kli jingkli basau ka dorbar mang tengka haka khandai trip ber arajar arpuar na ka jingkli ban rapa sang pliang MLA ka All India Trinamool Congress na mon ram walapan pa ba nen ka sngi kala dar ka jetai halo ka ni ka jinge na ka jimom tre ka Jowai municipal board ban lumyu nyut na Jowai bat yo priang ya ka ju ka jubab no menteri uba sang pliang la surkhi halo ka te ka jubab bat ongbo menteri unhapan kre kaju juba bat unsa kali biang la sai kasni la ka dan em ka jingweng yonyun na sor Jowai khamtam na khmat ka office utupdi commissioner ko Western Jail district haswa ka ni omele ka mo ko ya uba nu jor ki sungo lakwa bantep lakatnat kala ne man pinyo chaka the nyut na ka ka district headquarters jang ka Western Jail district.
So yesterday we had an exhaustive discussion relating to the same matter, that is the waste disposal in Jowai. And we got a very categorical assurance from the Honorable Minister yesterday that action would be taken by today. That was yesterday, sir. So till this morning, the garbage is still lying where it was yesterday. Now, what action has the Minister taken when he had assured in the House that the garbage will be lifted? And the garbage still remains till this moment, sir. So may I know from the Honourable Minister, what kind of action has he taken?
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to assure and remember by today evenings all the garbage will be lifted.
Okay, okay, sir. Well, I have no words. I heard the same yesterday, I'm hearing the same today. And I'm going to come back again tomorrow with the same question. So, Honourable Minister, kindly be prepared with the same answer tomorrow again.
So we've been hearing the debate about the landfill agenda in Jowai, and it's a adjourning area for quite a few times now. My question to the Honourable Minister Urban Affairs, sir, is it really possible for the Urban Affairs Minister to dump the garbage anyway if people are not giving the land? It's a question we need to hear. If no one's giving land, why is there this debate? So I'd like to know what are the efforts that have been put in amongst all the members in this August House that have risen again and again to talk about this issue. What is everyone doing to ensure that Jowai and its adjoining areas are going to be willing to give this dumping ground, because it's becoming ridiculous now? How do you expect the Urban Affairs to take the dump? Where will they dump it? Then obviously they will dump it on the roadside. Obviously they will dump it in a place which is not relevant. So may I know from the Honourable Minister, what are the kind of efforts that will be taken immediately to look for this dumping ground, to dump this garbage, sir, because it will not just get sorted out. Yes, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, that is why for the time being, temporary has been arranged. So we are moved very aggressively. By any means, we have to get a permanent solution for this. So in the meantime, that is the reason that we are identifying few temporary dumping. That is in order to avoid to dump anywhere, which is not good for us. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, to you, I would like to assure all the members, so we are trying at the earliest possible from department to solve this critical problem.